Hello, guys. It's a glorious day today. Let's hear from Georgie and Rachel from IPASS. Why?
Guys, I'm so excited today because Nurse Assist International and IPASS Processing Services are joining hands in partnership in Philippines, launching NAI Philippines. Today, we got the company registered in Philippines, and we can't wait to come there and start training you guys from your home country itself so that it kind of makes your life easier when it comes to the spending and expenditure that you're looking at when you come over to Australia. Rachel, what do you think?
Wow, it's really an exciting partnership, Georgie, for Nurses International and IPASS Processing because we are bringing the OSCE Review Center in the Philippines. I couldn't be more excited and couldn't be more happy because of this news and because of the decision that you made. This is really an excellent step that we are going to do because they don't have to come here anymore. That's right.
That's right. So it'll be a very smooth transition when it comes to the training. We will do most of the trainings there, but we are not going to leave them there. We want to make sure that they get a taste of Australia. So we are going to bring them over to one of our labs, train them a little bit more, polish them a little bit more, give some mock exams, get ready for that OSCE day, and we'll make them the flag bearers of success. That is the plan.
Yes, we will do that, and we will help all the Filipino nurses who are interested of
Absolutely.
going and becoming an RN in Australia, so it will become easy for them to do the OSCE review program.
Absolutely. So this is your time to join NAI Philippines in Philippines, and we look forward to you welcoming each and every one of you. All the very best, and this is how you make your dreams come true to becoming an RN in Australia. All the best.
Hey, Kabayan, here we come.